high altitude pseudo satellite vehicles. It's a very important thing because recently they have completed the first test of high altitude pseudo satellite vehicles. The center, National Aerospace Laboratories, which is in Bangalore, which comes under CSIR, that is very important. They have organized this. So very useful for your prelims majorly, and let's look at some important points that you have to definitely remember. Okay. So the first thing is National Aerospace Laboratories, first test of high altitude pseudo satellite vehicles, Bangalore, and under the CSIR. So these are the three major points that you have to remember. Now moving on, what is this HAPS? It's a solar powered pseudo satellite vehicle, and please remember it is unmanned. That means no human being sits there. They will do it. So keep that in head. That is very important for your prelims. And what is its features? Range of 18 to 20 kilometers. And the best part about it is solar powered. So as it goes above the earth, solar, it uses the energy. That means you don't have to provide fuel to it. And since the range is 18 to 20 kilometers, you don't even have a rocket to send it. They are planes, they go, they stay there. And since it is solar powered, as long as the sun is there, the energy is provided to that particular flight. And they can remain there for months and years, and it is very useful for navigation and satellite emergencies. So keep that in head. So even years as well as months. And the best part, another best part is it has a very low operating cost, and it does not require a rocket to get into space. That is the best part. And please remember the features of this very important. It is 23 kgs and it has a wingspan of about 12 meters. So fundamentally a plane wingspan is about 12 meters, and you don't require a rocket, automatically it goes, and it is unmanned. So it stays there, revolves around the earth like that, and it works like a fantastic satellite. That's the best part. And achieving an altitude of about 3 kilometers from the ground. So that is a special point. So all these points are very useful for your prelims. If you remember them, I think that is more than sufficient. Next, NASA with its Pathfinder series. This is very important for your prelims. What is Pathfinder series and all that? You have to Google it out. And currently China, South Korea and UK are also developing HAPS. So NASA with the Pathfinder series, they're able to do that. That's the best part. And what is important? It can increase our surveillance and monitoring capabilities in the border areas. So they're almost like the drone kind of thing. They go there, they take pictures using this one, and it becomes very useful for us for data information and all that. So therefore this is very important. And mobile communication networks in remote areas. So this is the best part. So very useful for your mains. So surveillance, monitoring and remote area access. That's the best part. And December 2023, Bengaluru based new space research and technologies. And as I told you previously, I discussed about deep tech technologies. This is also a deep tech technology. Therefore, it becomes a very important point for your prelims. And through the innovation of defense excellence and initiative of the defense ministry. So this is the best part. So this is useful for your prelims. This is also useful for your prelims. And they will ask you whether this HAPS comes under deep tech technology or not. Your answer must be yes.